Yes, children, we can see here 12.2 exercise continuation better. Fourth bit we'll see here based on addition. Fourth bit A, what should be added to x square plus xy plus a square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy? See but here question they are asking for this what we need to add. What should be added to this to get the result like 2x square plus 3xy? Now for this we need to add something. Sir, what we need to add? Even I don't know. We need to find now. So here what should be added? They are asking what should be added. So we don't know here what we need to add. So it is unknown value. How can I express that unknown value? We can express with the help of variables. Now here you can see better here. Solution x square plus xy plus y square. It is one algebraic expression. For this algebraic expression, what should be added? For this algebraic expression, what should be added? To get the result is 2x square plus 3xy. Hope it is clear to you. For this x square plus xy plus y square, for this algebraic expression, what should be added to get the result like 2x square plus 3xy? So what we can write here? We don't know. It is unknown value. So how can I express the unknown values? Yes, we can write here. Sir, let some p. It is the unknown value and try to represent with alphabet. Let p is added. Yes, let p is added to this expression x square plus xy plus y square. So what we are adding here? We don't know. I took some p is added to this to get the result is like 2x square plus 3xy. Now here what we can write better? I can write here p. So what we need to find here? We have to find the value of p. P nothing but the expression what we are going to add for this to get the result like 2x square plus 3xy. Now our target, we need to find the p value better. Yes, how can I find the p value? Sir, to find the p value, make it p separate. Other than p, whatever the terms are there, you transpose the terms RHS. So that we can make it p separate and we can find the p value. Nothing but this gives what we need to add for the given expression. Now p is equal to 2x square plus 3xy. Make it p separate. Extra we have like this all these three terms. So transpose all these three terms to RHS. Plus x square if you transpose minus x square plus xy if you transpose minus xy plus y square if you transpose minus y square. Now p is equal to, here you can make the groups of like terms and simplify their coefficients. X power 2 term, x power 2 term, same variable x, same power 2. So both are like terms. Make a group of those two like terms. Next beta xy term write together plus 3xy minus xy and the leftover terms are minus y square. So these two are like terms. Now simplify the coefficients. X power 2 coefficient 2, x power no coefficient means what beta 1. So p is equal to, simplify the coefficients, 2 minus 1 x square. Here no coefficient 1 beta plus 3 minus 1 plus 2 xy and leftover is minus y square. That's all. There is no other like terms. So this is the value of p. It means for the given algebraic expression, what we need to add beta p? Nothing but this one. For the given algebraic expression, we need to add this so that the result will be like 2x square plus 3xy. Therefore, x square plus 2xy minus y square. What should be added? P should be added. What is P? This one. So this is added to x square plus xy plus y square. To get the result is like 2x square plus 3xy. Hope it is clear to everyone. Still you want a clarity? You can go for checking also better. Yes. For this x square plus xy plus y square, x square plus xy plus y square, what we need to add? X square plus 2xy minus y square. Sir, we need to add this to get the result like this. So when you are adding like terms below, we can write the like terms. Here we have x power 2, but x power 2 below, x power 2 down, x power 2 only. xy below, xy down, plus 2xy. Next y power 2 below, y power 2 down, beta, minus y square. So this we need to add. See here, 1x square, 1x square, 2x square. No coefficient 1 beta, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3xy. No coefficient 1, no coefficient 1, plus 1 minus 1, 0. The result is 2x square plus 3xy. That is the way we can do the problem. Thank you. Children, here we have one more problem based on both addition and subtraction here. From exercise 12.2, 6th bit B1 bit it is. From the sum of 4 plus 3x and 5 minus 4x plus 2x square. From the sum of these two expressions, we need to find the sum by addition. And after that, subtract the sum of 3x square minus 5x and minus x square plus 2x plus 5. You can see right here what is the meaning of question. From the sum of, first we have to find sum of these two expressions. Find the sum of first expression and second expression. Again, find the sum of first expression and second expression. Then later we'll see what we can subtract from where we can subtract. First we'll find the sum of these two here. See my solution from the, yes. What next? Sum of these two. It means first expression plus second expression. 5 minus 4x plus 2x square. Yes. Sum of these two. It means first expression plus second expression. And then later, right, as it is the remaining part, subtract the again sum of these two expressions. This is third expression, you can take like 3x square minus 5x. Third expression plus sum of these two. Third expression plus fourth expression minus x square plus 2x plus 5. You can simplify the part from, yes, from the, we need to open the bracket. Before, if very simple, you can multiply. Here no symbol, no, so directly open. 4 plus 3x. Now this symbol multiply each and every term inside the bracket. Plus into plus, plus 5. Plus into minus, minus 4x. Plus into plus, plus 2x square. Yes. Now subtract the, open the bracket better before, no symbol here, 3x square minus 5x plus into minus, minus x square plus into plus, plus 2x plus into x plus 5. Yes. Now we'll write the like terms together and we simplify better. Yes. Simplify the like terms from the, here you can see better, plus 3x minus 4x. Both are like terms. Simplify the coefficients. Plus 3 minus 5 plus 3 minus 4 better, sorry, which gives minus 1x. More any like terms? No like terms. Plus 2x square and the like terms are same thing. Constants plus 4 plus 5. Next, in the second part you can see what here, subtract the, here the like terms are 3x power 2 minus 1x power 2. Both are like terms together. Minus 1x power 2. Now more like term groups. Minus 5x plus 2x. Yes, minus 5x plus 2x. Second group. Now constant is only one, which is plus 5 better. Plus 5. Now we simplify in this step. Yes, let me write here from the, here minus 1x plus 2x square plus 4 plus 5. Sorry. Here we can simplify this constant better. Plus 4 plus 5, 9. Subtract. Yes. We can subtract the, here both are like terms. Simplify the coefficient better. 3 minus 1, 2x square. Minus 5 plus 2, minus 3x and plus 5. Yes, so now you can see about this part. From the first expression, subtract the second expression. You can see very clearly. we need to subtract that second expression. Yes, from minus 1x plus 2x square plus 9. From this, we need to subtract second expression. As I said, minus after should keep the bracket. Bracket it said how many terms, right? All those terms we need to multiply with this minus symbol. Yes, you can write here now 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Now all those terms multiply with minus symbol. Minus 1x plus 2x square plus 9. Minus multiply each and every term. Minus into plus minus 2x square. Minus into minus plus 3x. Minus into plus minus 5. Now you make a group of like terms again. See here x term and more we can see here x term better. So make a group of like terms. Minus 1x plus 3x. X power 2 term, x power 2 term. Make a group. Plus 2x power 2 minus 2x power 2. And more constants. Plus 9 minus 5. Plus 9 minus 5. Both are like terms. Both are like terms. Minus 1 plus 3 coefficients plus 2x. Plus 2 minus 2 0. Plus 9 minus 5 plus 4. That is the way you can simplify. Yes, children, today's session we discussed about addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. As I said, these two operations are possible only for like terms. Like terms are nothing but terms which are having same variables and same powers. So while adding or subtracting, just you make the groups of like terms and simplify their coefficients. Hope it is clear to everyone. Based on this knowledge, from exercise 12.2, complete the remaining problems. Thank you once again. We'll meet in the next class.